Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. And if you want to join my online training class, I teach how to make skincare products, effective one, not those copy and paste, effective one. I teach the product, exactly the product I sell, so that you can, as I'm making progress, you can also be making progress. Okay, so, and to my old subscriber guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for being patient with me. I'm not coming here every time because I'm not dropping video every time. Most of my subscribers are not even watching again. I'll post a video and I will have 200 views in 1 week or 2 weeks. Hey God, me that normally have thousands of views. Hey, it is well. Okay. So guys, today let's talk about City Plus lotion. Yes, this is City Plus lotion. This is a white one, and this is the pink one. Yes, this is a white, this is the pink one. So we are going to be talking about the benefits of this lotion on the skin. We are going to be talking about the benefits of each, and we are also going to be talking about the fakeness, the fake one, and also the original one, due to a lot of questions that I have been having. And most of you people will leave my YouTube channel and you'll be coming to my WhatsApp to be asking me questions. No, please, my WhatsApp is for business. If you want to learn skincare products, come to my WhatsApp. If you want to buy my products, come to my WhatsApp. But for question, because please, let's do it here. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about these two. This one is made with a carrot oil, and this one is made with a plant extract. So someone asked me which one lightens the more. Is it this one or is it this one? So most people will say this one lightens the more because it is made with carrot oil. We all know carrot oil lightens the skin. So most people say this one is made with carrot oil, but because of that, it lightens the skin more. But for me, I will say this one lightens the skin more. Okay, this one lightens the skin more. I have used this one more than I have used this one. I have used this one only twice, I'm not going to lie. And this one I have been using for 3 years. Like, it is good. When I said I've been using for 3 years, does not mean that it's my skincare body lotion. No, I've tried it over and over again. I have used this to promise. I've used this to promise with the same ingredients I use in promising with this one, but this one does the job better than this one. So for me, I don't know, for me this one is the best. For you, you can say this one is the best. It's your own opinion, and this is my own opinion. Okay, now let's talk about the ingredients inside this product. So someone was asking me if these products have hydroquinone in it. Now I will say yes, because it is written here. Hold on, let me read it for you. Where are the ingredients? Here, it is made with petroleum jelly, liquid petroleum jelly, stearic acid, glycerin, fruit acid, which is AAA, and it is also made with kojic acid, allantoin, silicone oil, BHT, I don't know what is BHT, perfume fragrance, and the rose hydroquinone maximum 2%. Me, you know, this product is made in Africa. I don't trust them. This thing is more than 2%, but they are just going to write it 2% because actually the rules and the law when it comes to using of hydroquinone, the maximum is 2 or 4%. Okay, so now they wrote 2% here. I am sure it is more than 2%. Okay, now let's go to the other one. Let's read the ingredients. Let's know the difference. So this one, it is made with petroleum jelly, stearic acid, glycerin, kojic acid, allantoin, silicone, carrot oil, fragrance. So they did not write what is it called? I don't know if you can see this. They did not write hydroquinone. Nothing like hydroquinone here. But the other white one, there's hydroquinone in it. This one, there's no hydroquinone in it. So I was like, okay, this is the reason why this one is more effective than this one. Then again, I went to do more research about these products. Okay, and on Google, I saw this product. I saw their pictures. I read their ingredients, and this one was having hydroquinone also on it. This one, there was hydroquinone on it, but this one I bought, this one I have, there's nothing like hydroquinone on it. Okay, so the thing is confusing. I'm really confused. I need help. I need help. I don't know it all. If you have any idea, please also share. Okay, this one I have, there's no hydroquinone. Okay, but when I went to Google to search for the products, to read about the product, read about the ingredients, the one I saw in Google, there's hydroquinone, but I don't know why this one no hydroquinone in. I don't know if I'm holding the fake one. I really do not know. Okay, because this product belongs to Dreams Cosmetic. If you want to know the fake and original, if you're buying these two products, please check the back. They are going to write Dreams Cosmetic. If it is not Dreams Cosmetic there, don't buy. It is fake. The owner of this product is Dreams Cosmetic. I have their website. You can go to their Google. Go to Google. Okay, just type Dreams Cosmetic. You're going to see their website there. So you're going to click browse through their product. They are the owner of this product. Now, if you're buying any product that does not belong to Dreams Cosmetic, because this same product, I have bought it before. They have forgotten the name. They wrote another name, another company on it. So I was like, this product belongs to Dreams Cosmetic. So now I went to Dreams Cosmetic. They have different logo. You see this logo here? This logo here. And now let me show you this one. The white City Plus, you see this white stuff is inside a black box. It's inside a black box. And this one is not inside a black box. You can see. But when I went to Dreams Cosmetic to check their products, this pink one, this black thing, so like that looks like flower, it is also inside a black box like this very one. So I don't know if this one is actually the fake, but it belongs to Dreams Cosmetic. Yeah, you can see. Don't know if you can see this. It belongs to Dreams Cosmetic, but I don't know why the logo is different. Okay, this one is like this, and this one is not inside the dash box. But when I went to their website, like I said before, this one, the logo is inside the dash box. Now I am confused. So I don't know if this is fake. And this my own, there is nothing like hydroquinone. And the other one I searched on what is it called, Google, other products. I read it. I saw the product. I just screenshot it. I read the ingredients, and other people, they have hydroquinone in their own, but this one no hydroquinone. So I'm confused if this is fake or not. But this one is actually the original. Okay, for this one, because there's no hydroquinone in it and because of the logo, so I'm thinking I bought the fake one. Okay, so how to order this product with them? Now I have their website. I also have their Instagram page. So I wrote them that I want to buy their product in bulk. In fact, I want to be a distributor. I want to buy their product in bulk, so that I will be sure that I'm getting the original one. If you're getting the original City Plus, guys, trust me, this lotion will work wonders. Okay, and they replied me. They said I should look for their distributors. I can buy from their distributors. They gave me one stuff. I was not even paying. I did not pay attention to it because I was kind of disappointed. Like, this is the company. I can count from the company. Why referring me to go and buy from their own distributors? The thing is confusing me, because even that your same distributor can still be a distributor to the other people that is also making this same fake product. So I just want to buy direct from them, so that I will be sure, because this product is made in Abidjan. This is from Abidjan. This is Abidjan products. So assuming I have friends in Abidjan, because their address, when I went to their websites, I saw their address, their number, stuff like that. So assuming I have friends in Abidjan, I will just send my friends to go to their company directly and help me to buy this product. So that is it. So for me, I think this one is a fake, but this is the original. And even if you're getting the original of this product, but I still think this one is the one that is going to do the most lightening than this one. So if you have any opinion, if you know what you want to say, if you have anything to say, just say it. Help me out. I'm confused. I don't know why this one doesn't have hydroquinone, but in other people's products, their own have hydroquinone. So guys, this is it for this video, and please ask your question. And I know I talk too fast, so bear with me. Manage to understand this video, please. So I'm going to see you soon in my other video. Bye.